Summerlin West, where the desert becomes your new home. Let us explore one of Southern Nevada's fastest growing and one of the most desirable master-planned communities to call home. Showcasing 7 new home builders now under construction, offering stunning new residential communities in the beautiful foothills of the Spring Mountains, overlooking the Las Vegas Valley, starting in the mid-$400,000 to multi-million-dollar luxury homes. First up, a new resort-style community in the makings. In the newest village of Summerlin West, called La Madre Peaks, in the foothills of the La Madre Mountains. This community is being built by Taylor Morrison. It is called the Esplanade at Red Rock, priced expected to start at $800,000. Second quarter of 2026. Coming soon, 88 acres with 398 homes, from 1,569 to 3,000 square feet, 2 to 4 bedrooms, with an inspired modern Palm Springs style. There will be an on-site restaurant, bar, spa, and wellness center, a 10,000 square foot amenity center, along with pickleball, bocce courts, walking trails, and a dog park. Truly resort living for active families. Summerlin West means so much more than just a place people call home. So this is so exciting. The largest and newest park in all of Summerlin is now under construction. It is called Grand Park, and it is located in the new village of Summerlin West, called Grand Park Village, with over 90 beautiful acres. The park will have 3 lighted baseball, softball fields, with concessions, 4 pickleball courts, a basketball court, a children's playground, a splash pad, outdoor fitness stations, and winding trails throughout the shaded picnic areas. This is just phase 1 of this park. Phase 2 and 3 is still being developed. The first phase is expected to be completed by the first quarter of 2026. No completion dates for the 2 other phases. This park is located just west of the much anticipated urban core still being developed. The park will have some of the best views of the Las Vegas Valley and the Spring Mountains. One of many amazing amenities coming to Summerlin West. As we explore in this video the newest home sites under construction in Summerlin West, I would like to share as we go the top 10 reasons a buyer needs to hire their own personal realtor when buying a new built home, instead of relying on just using the builder's agent. Number 1. The builder's agent represents the builder, not you. Their duty is to protect the builder's interest and profit, not to negotiate the best deal for you, the buyer. Coming soon, a new Richmond American community. It will be built in the new Grand Park Village. Iris Glen is the name of this community, over 10 acres. They will offer 76 homes for sale starting in 2026. Starting price, $800,000. They will offer 2,110 to 2,420 square feet homes. Reason number 2 that you need to hire your own realtor. Negotiation. A buyer's agent can possibly negotiate a better price, builder's incentives, closing cost, reduced lot premiums, and upgrades in the design studio. Things the builder's agent may not offer to the buyer. Coming soon, the Brantley community by Pointe Homes. Latest community in the Grand Park Village. 1- and 2-story single-family homes, building 2,194 to 4,700 square feet homes, 3 to 5 bedrooms, starting in the high $800,000. Reason number 3 that you need to hire your own realtor. Guidance through complex contracts. The builder's contracts are written to favor the builder. Your realtor reviews the fine print, and they will help you understand what you are signing. Reason number 4 that you need to hire your own realtor. Market knowledge and comparable sales. Your realtor will provide insight on pricing and resale potential, compared to other new and resale homes in the area. Now open, Toll Brothers' newest community in Grand Park Village. It is called Glenrock. Floor plans will range from 2,897 to 4,557 square feet. 3 to 5 bedrooms with up to 6.5 bathrooms, 3 to 4 car garages. Starting at $1,560,000. Some models include lower-level walkout terraces, options for multi-generational living suite. Contact me today to schedule your private viewing. Reason number 5 that you need to hire your own realtor. Professional oversight during construction. Your realtor can attend walkthroughs and inspections to ensure quality and advocate for you if issues arise. Now selling. Pointe Homes in Grand Park Village. In the new Carlisle community, being developed on over 29 acres, with 98 homes being sold, 1- and 2-story. Floor plans range from 3,234 to 4,417 square feet. From 2 to 4 bedrooms with 3.5 to 4.5 baths. Starting price will be $1,550,000. Optional GenSmart and NextGen suites. 3 to 4 car garages. Reason number 6 that you need to hire your own realtor. Builder's reputation and experience. Realtors know which builders have solid track records, and which ones may have a history of construction or service issues. Now selling Richmond American homes in the new community of Primrose Park, located within the Grand Park Village. Home sizes will be from 3,410 to 3,690 square feet. 4 to 5 bedrooms with 3.5 baths. Starting at $1,200,000. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Reason number 7 that you need to hire your own realtor. Financing and incentive guidance. Builders often push their own preferred lenders. Your realtor can help you compare offers to make sure you're getting the best deal. Now selling Caldwell Park by KB Homes in Grand Park Village. 2 collections, the Groves and the Landings. The Groves are 2-story townhomes, 1,430 to 1,947 square feet, 2 to 4 bedrooms. Prices start in the mid-$400,000. The Landings are single-family homes, 1,832 to 2,466 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms. Prices start in the mid-$500,000. Reason number 8 that you need to hire your own realtor. Objective advice without the pressure. A realtor helps you make informed decisions at your own pace, without the sale pressure sometimes found in model home offices. Now selling in the Alton community by KB Homes. Located in the heart of the Grand Park Village. 23 acres with around 200 single-family homes. They have two collections. The Landings, which is two-story homes, from 1,832 to 2,466 square feet. The Reserves, which is a mix of one- and two-story homes, from 1,634 to 3,063 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 5 bathrooms. From the mid-$600,000. Now selling, the Ashland Community by Taylor Morrison. In the Grand Park Village, on 25 acres with 92 homes. One of the very few all single-story communities in Summerlin West. 7 different floor plans, ranging from 2,450 to 3,303 square feet. 3 to 5 bedrooms and up to 4 bathrooms. 2 to 3 car garages. Starting price in the low $1 million. Some of the largest lots offered in the Grand Park Village. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Reason number 9 that you need to hire your own realtor. Resale value and long-term investment insight. Your realtor looks beyond the excitement of brand new to ensure your home will hold its value over time. Coming soon, Fairview by Lennar in Grand Park Village. Another rare all single-story community in Summerlin West. 85 homes are planned on over 34 acres. Starting price in the low $800,000. From 3,793 to 3,972 square feet. Now selling, Arcadia Community by Shea. Located in the Grand Park Village. Shea is the newest home builder in southern Nevada. 40 two-story homes on just under 10 acres. 3 models offered. Bristlecone 3,176 square feet. Juniper 3,209 square feet, and Pinion with 3,399 square feet, 3 to 4 bedroom. Starting from $1,500,000. The only builder to claim earthquake resistant. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Now selling Edgewood Community by Pointe Homes. In the Grand Park Village. 58 homes on 11 acres. 1- and 2-story homes. Single-story 1,995 square feet. 2-story 2,390 to 2,644 square feet. 3 to 4 bedrooms, starting in the mid-$800,000. These homes are known for their stunning indoor-outdoor living. Beautiful private courtyards. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Another beautiful Summerlin Park under construction. Walking distance from the Edgewood and Arcadia communities. Pickleball courts, kids' play area, and shaded picnic areas. Now selling Ravencrest by Toll Brothers. Located in the Kestrel Commons Village. 3- and 4-story townhomes. Community pool. 4th floor level is a rooftop terrace with stunning views. Floor plans with 2,300 to 2,640 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms. 2.5 to 3.5 baths. Starting in the mid-$600,000. Optional next-generation living suite and private elevators. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Now selling Lark Hill Townhomes by Taylor Morrison. Located in the Kestrel Commons village. 2-story townhomes with attached garages. Floor plans include 1,645 to 2,163 square feet. 3 to 5 bedrooms, starting at $450,000. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Now selling Mockingbird Community by Lennar. In the Kestrel Village, offering 3 2-story floor plans. The Bobby 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. The Peter 3,210 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. The Greg Next Gen Suite, 3,335 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It includes a separate entrance, kitchenette, washer, and dryer. Starting in the high $800,000. Contact me today to schedule your own private viewing. Reason number 10 that you need to hire your own realtor. No additional cost to you. In most cases, the builder pays your realtor's commission, so you get your own professional representation at no extra cost. Remember, if you don't use your own realtor, you may be losing out on so many benefits. So if you are a long or short-time resident of Southern Nevada, or you are looking to move to our beautiful and amazing city, you have found the right realtor here. I have been a Las Vegas resident since 1994. I have been a very successful realtor for over 10 years. I am your new built home specialist. Reach out to me today so I can show you how I help buyers find their perfect home here in Southern Nevada. Call Craig Thornton 702-481-9113 or see all my contact information in the description of this video. When you hire me, you also get the #1 broker in Southern Nevada, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services of Nevada, along with my award-winning team, the Angarola Group. We are ranked in the top 1% of teams in the state of Nevada. So let's get out there and explore these new home communities today. Your dream home in the desert awaits. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the amazing real estate market here in Southern Nevada.